What is the process for returning items on IMVU?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to discuss how to return items on IMVU. We understand that it can be a bit tricky, so we'll walk you through the process, step by step.
Understanding IMVU's return policy.
First things first, it's important to know that as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, IMVU generally doesn't allow item returns for purchases made. This means that once you've bought an item, it's typically yours for keeps. Always be careful and double-check items before confirming a purchase. However, in the case of fraudulent activities or errors, you can contact IMVU customer service. They might be able to help depending on the specifics of the situation.
Contacting IMVU customer service.
If you have an issue that requires you to contact customer service, follow these steps. 1. Navigate to the Help section on the IMVU website or app. 2. Click on or select Contact Us or Customer Support. This will direct you to the form you need to fill out. 3. Fill in all the necessary information in the form, including your account name, email, and the issue you're experiencing. 4. Describe your problem in the text box provided, providing as many details as possible. 5. Finally, click Submit to send your complaint to IMVU.
What to do while waiting?
After submitting your request, be patient and wait for a response. Customer support will need some time to review your case. While waiting, it's best not to continue making purchases if you're experiencing a persistent issue. That's it for our step-by-step guide on dealing with unwanted items on IMVU. Remember, it's always important to review items carefully before making a purchase to avoid unnecessary issues. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. If you have further questions or need more clarification, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Stay safe and happy shopping on IMVU.